Namaste everyone. Welcome to ICAM. In this video, we will see the meaning of chapter 6 from sloka number 11. Shuchau deshe pratisthapya sthiramasanamatmanah natyuthritan nati neecham chailajina kushottaram. The yogi should remain in a clean place on a seat that is neither too high nor too low and covered with kusa grass, that is dharba. We called it as a dharba, a deer skin and a cloth. तत्रैकाग्रं मनः कृत्वा यतचित्तेन्द्रियक्रियः उपविश्यासने युञ्ज्याद् योगमात्मविशुद्धये. Making his mind one-pointed and controlling all the activities of his senses, he should sit on the seat and engage in yoga for the sake of self-purification. समङ्काय शिरोग्रीवं धारयन्नचलं स्थिरः सम्प्रेक्ष्य नासिकाग्रं स्वं दिशश्चानवलोकयन्. He should remain motionless and hold his head and neck erect. His concentration, without wandering anywhere, should be on the tip of his nose. प्रशान्तात्मा विगतभीः ब्रह्मचारिव्रते स्थितः मनः संयम्य युक्त आसीत मत्परः. His mind should be quiet and without fear. He should observe a vow of chastity and control his mind and fix his concentration on me. He should sit concentrated in devotion, holding me as the highest object. युञ्जन्नेवं सदात्मानं योगी नियतमानसः शान्तिं निर्वाणपरमां मत्संस्थामधिगच्छति. Thus, with the self in constant discipline, the yogi, who is able to control his mind, will attain the supreme form of peace that is part of me, beyond all material existence. नात्यश्नतस्तु योगोऽस्ति न चैकान्तमनश्नतः न चाति स्वप्नशीलस्य जाग्रतो नैव चार्जुन. O Arjuna, yoga is not for those who eat or sleep too much or too little. युक्ताहारविहारस्य युक्तचेष्टस्य कर्मसु युक्तस्वप्नावबोधस्य योगो भवति दुःखः. Practicing yoga will vanquish the troubles of one who performs his duties delightfully and one who is disciplined and balanced in his eating, sleeping, and also waking. Yada viniyatam chittam atmanyevavatisthate nisprihah sarvakamebhyah yukta ityuchyate tada. A yogi attains yoga when he controls his mind, frees himself of all material desires, and focuses only on his self. यथा दीपो निवातस्थः नेङ्गते सोपमा स्मृता योगिनो यतचित्तस्य युञ्जतो योगमात्मनः. A yogi whose mind is controlled and focused in yoga is like an unflickering lamp in a windless place. यत्रो परमते चित्तं निरुद्धयोगसेवया यत्र चैवात्मनात्मानं पश्यन्नात्मनि तुष्यति. Yoga is the name given to the state where all sorrow arising due to material contact dissolves, where the mind of the expert being retained comes to a halt.